Black inventors who were erased from history. John Standard, the inventor of the modern refrigerator used in millions of homes around the world. His creation helped revolutionize food preservation and completely change the way people stored food. Even though it became an extremely important invention for modern life, his name almost never appears in history books. Millions of people use his invention every day without knowing who truly contributed to such an essential technological advancement that changed kitchens forever worldwide and modern food storage forever. Thomas Jennings, the inventor of the modern washing machine. His invention helped make household work easier and paved the way for technologies that now exist in almost every home. In addition to being an inventor, Jennings was also one of the first Black men to receive a patent in the United States. Despite the enormous importance of his contribution to society, his name is rarely remembered when people talk about inventions that transformed the modern world and influenced millions of families for generations around the entire world.